This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 2 plus 1. For my sample, I cast on 17 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 8 needles. For row 1, you're just going to knit all stitches. For row 2, you're going to start by knitting the first stitch, and then we'll begin the repeat, which is make a bobble and then knit 1. So to make the bobble, into the next stitch, you're going to work purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, before dropping the stitch from the left needle. So you purl 1, leave that stitch on, knit into the same stitch, and then purl into that same stitch, and then knit into that same stitch one more time, and then slide the stitch from the left needle. Now you have this little group of 4 stitches, and we're going to pass the second, third, and fourth stitch over the first stitch. So one at a time, you just want to pick up the stitches, and this is a little tricky. Just pass the stitches over one at a time. Just like that. Then you're going to knit the next stitch. So that's all you'll be doing for the rest of the row. You're going to make a bobble and knit 1. So again, to make your bobble, into the next stitch, you purl, knit, purl, and knit, and then drop that stitch from the left needle. And then you have a little group of 4 stitches. You're going to pass the second, third, and fourth stitches one at a time over the first stitch, and that will create your little bobble. Oops. Getting this first one over is the trickiest, I think. There we go. So we made our bobble, and then we're going to knit 1. So that's making our little bobbles on the right side of the work. And this is a pretty labor-intensive stitch for me. I don't think I would use it for an entire project, maybe just a little bit of an accent. Maybe down the center of a shawl or something like that. But you can use it however you like, of course. For row 3, you're just going to knit all stitches. Row 4, you're going to start by knitting the first 2 stitches, and then we're going to repeat make a bobble and knit 1, just like we did up in row 2. So I'm going to make my little bobble, I'm going to purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1 into the next stitch. And then one at a time, I'm going to pass the second, third, and fourth stitches over the first and knit 1. And that is my repeat to the last stitch. Just going to make a bobble, and knit 1. And when you get to the last stitch, you just knit. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.